then another one inside. And then color both of these in black. Now next to it, on the right, let's draw a small circle. Now that we have the shape of the eyes, let's move out and let's draw the eyelashes. In the top outer corners, let's draw a curve up and bring it back around. And the same on the other eye. And now let's draw 3 more on each of the eyes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the nose. Top to the center and let's draw a curve up. And now let's hop down and let's add the mouth. Underneath in the center, let's draw a wavy line like this. And then add a curve underneath on the left, and the same on the right. Now that we have the face, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides underneath the eyelashes and let's draw a curve down and bring it in towards the center. Next, on the right side, let's continue it by bringing it up behind the eyelashes and then curve it over to the left, stopping here. Now let's move to the top right and let's draw a curve over and bring it down. Then let's curve it up at the end. Now let's add another V-shaped curve of hair and then curve it down to the left. Now let's move back over to the top right. Let's draw a curve up and down on the right side. Now let's continue it behind the eyelashes, then bring it down and curve it in at the bottom. And then a curve up. Next, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve over and bring it all the way to the left side. Then bring it behind the eyelashes again. And then underneath, let's bring it down and curve it out. And then a small curve underneath. Now at the end, let's hop up and let's add another curve out, and then curve it back into the head. Let's take a pause on the hair for now, and let's move in and draw the eyebrows. Let's start on top of the right eye and let's draw a wavy line across. Then for the left one, let's curve it up, and then bring it behind the hair. Now for the center, let's draw a small line up on both sides. And then follow the same curve on top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 small lines down for the neck. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's add the ends of the scarf tied around your neck. On the right, let's draw a small square. And then from the top, let's curve it over. And a wavy line back in on top. Now underneath, let's draw another curve out and back up. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's move back in and draw the arms. From both sides, let's draw a curve out and then bring it down. Then from underneath the left side, let's draw a wavy line back up, stopping here. Then add a small curve up at the end. Now next to this line, let's draw another curve over to the left side. And then a curve on top for the hand. Next, let's move back over to the bottom right and let's draw a curve back in for the other arm. Now that we have the arms, let's start drawing the dress. Let's start underneath the neck and let's draw a V shape. And then a curve down underneath each shoulder for the sleeves. Now underneath the arms in the center, let's draw a curve across for the waistband. And that's it for the upper body. Before we finish drawing the dress, let's move back up and finish the hair. From the left side, let's draw a zigzag line all the way back in. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move back down and finish drawing the dress. underneath the arms on both sides, let's draw a curve down for the sides of the skirt. And then close it off at the bottom with a wavy line across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 curves down from the top. And then a set of longer ones next to it. And that's it for the dress. Now flip underneath and add the legs. We'll start by drawing 2 angled lines down and out underneath in the center. And then let's hop out and let's draw another angled line, but a little bit shorter. And then add a curve across inside. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve out and back in for the feet. And then add a curve inside for the tops of the shoes. And that's it for discussed. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed.